kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kod bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabenda ka neat.
Tengah po kendiat kenta pengilawan ra yang khubor kepala jia jing puding hakam rasyad jing bam kebadan ha building jong ka Hillstar Hotel and Restaurant ha Police Bazar Shillong ha jing wat benya la pentip pakani ka kam rasyad jing bam kadai ka tip kerteng kum ka Hillstar Bakery kal kum ka jing tip la yolum la itu bakani ka jing jia la jia ha kapor saw boji jan miet ha ka khandai terik joliu a ha ja pun riu la itu bakani ka la jia hadin baka bona kala kemding insan hakani kam rasyad jing bam kabadan hakamala kabasaw pakading kalapur syai kamera baro kawai takajing hoj sak penyang hamadan hakani kajing jia wei nong toy la shumun saw mulumala patang hadin kat tu kat nepor kipulik ketanat fire and emergency service kayo jing tip halo kani kajing jia dia alej ban pelip no e kading usah pakan kalang skiwi pat ki kamera.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.